Hello everyone. In a shocking revelation emerging from the murder case of one, Albert Ojwang. The Deputy Inspector General of Police Ojwang Langat was the only individual cleared against criminal culpability in this murder case, whereby, among the 6 criminal suspects who appeared for murder case trial, DIG Langat was acquitted responsibility despite him being the one who ordered the initial arrest of Albert Ojwang from Homa Bay, before the Lady Justice Diana Kavedza, at a high court in Kibera. The 6 suspects appeared in court for a murder case trial, led by OCS Samson Talam, who is a former officer commanding station at the Nairobi Central Police Station. Number 2 was James Mukwana, a police constable who was on duty that particular day. Constable Peter Kamani, another police constable at the Nairobi Central Police Station. John Ngige and 2 others were mere civilians sharing the same cell block as inmates at the Nairobi Central Police Station. In a heated court proceedings before Lady Justice Diana Kavedza, the opening remarks from the ODPP Director of Public Prosecutions stated as follows, that the Ojwang's death was a premeditated killing, was a planned violent assault inside the cells, rather than an accident, neither was it a medical emergency. However, the autopsy and state evidence revealed through post-mortem and previous medical examination at Mbagathi Hospital revealed serious fatal injuries consistent with violent assault, bluntly force trauma with serious indicators of neck compressions, and persistent strangulations that led to his mysterious death, in a plot of conspiracy to erase evidence. A protected prosecution witness testified in court about the ex-OCS Samson Talam, who explicitly paid him 3,000 Kenyan shillings to technically confiscate the mounted digital video recorder and carefully erase data of the CCTV surveillance footage that captured Ojwang's death, now that the hard drive storage was formatted to cover up this crime. Another witness from IPOA, and the forensic expert from the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, successfully retrieved to recover the deleted surveillance footage whereby, according to the recovered video footage, Albert Ojwang was captured on cameras walking into the Nairobi Central Police Station in good health, followed by police officers, and was admitted into the police cells. Therefore, whatever happened in the cells was an alleged beating and painful assault by inmates, with a premeditated killing that led to the death of Albert Ojwang. Few hours later, after Ojwang's admission into the cells at Nairobi Central Police Station, the recovered CCTV footage exposed a video of 4 police officers carrying the lifeless body of Albert Ojwang out of the police cell cubicles, and his body was dumped at the back cabin of a police vehicle, which was drove all the way to Mbagathi Hospital. On their arrival in Mbagathi Hospital, 2 police officers were captured on cameras carrying the lifeless body of Albert Ojwang to the hospital for admission, but he was pronounced dead after medical examination. The police officers therefore took back the body of Albert Ojwang and was taken to Lee Funeral City Mortuary. However, the DIG Ojwang Langat, who ordered the initial arrest of Albert Ojwang from Homa Bay, was unequivocally cleared from criminal culpability against this murder case, whereby, following an intensive probing investigation concluded by the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, the DIG was cleared from direct involvement into this particular murder case, arguing that Langat was strictly the original complainant about Ojwang's defamation content posted on X, but had no operational role in his arrest, transfer, or any subsequent handling. After voluntarily stepping aside during the initial investigations in June 2025, the High Court declined all petitions forcing his prosecution linking his responsibility to this matter, thus allowing him to officially resume his duties at Vigilance House. Thank you and keep on subscribing.